Now we are going to discuss about definition of capacitance. So this is capacitance is a general term. Capacitance of capacitor is a specific term. So capacitance of the capacitor. Capacitance of the capacitor is defined as charge given to the capacitor to potential difference developed between the capacitor around the parallel plate capacitor. Positive charge the same number of negative charge will be developed in the lower plate. So, இதுல எவ்வளவு charge இருக்கோ அதே charge தான் இங்க இருக்கும். அப்போ capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor is defined as charge given to the capacitor. That means positive charge இருக்கும் or negative charge இருக்கும். ரெண்டு சேமா தான் இருக்கும், positive and negative. To the potential difference between the two plates. இதுதான் capacitance of the capacitor கான definition. So, capacitance of the capacitor is defined as charge given to the capacitor to potential difference between the two plates of the capacitor. Capacitance unit is 1 coulomb. Charge uda unit coulomb, 1 volt, which is equal to 1 farad. அப்போ 1 farad என்ன? 1 coulomb of charge given to a capacitor developed a potential of 1 volt. மறுபடியும் சொல்ல, what is 1 farad? 1 coulomb of charge given to a capacitor developed a potential difference of 1 volt. Then the capacitance of the capacitor is called 1 farad. Thank you.